Hi, I'm Ravi Bhatnagar. I am Director External Affairs and Strategic Partnerships for Asia, Middle East and Africa region. And I work with Reckitt Benckiser, based in Gurgaon. And it's a privilege, talking to Outlook on the nutrition. And the whole work what Outlook is doing around Poshan is something which is of tremendous importance to India. And I believe like it's a nation building exercise. A role which can actually make nutrition programs also like Jan Andolan. To give some examples like how Swachh Bharat became a Jan Andolan, how Ujjwala scheme became a Jan Andolan, in the same way like Poshan can also be the next big Jan Andolan. And for us, it is a natural marriage. Reason being, we stand as a company for the better health and better hygiene. And significantly, like company, is investing in the first 1,000 days so that the child survival rates are high, and putting an agenda together which is to bring together Bharat with India. With the technology in place, there's a very less difference between Bharat and India. So we believe like private sector can actually really push that together, and it can glue the things, and the results will be much faster. When many FMCG brands can reach to the last mile, maybe like it's Coca-Colas of the world to Frito-Lays of the world to Detolls of the world to many others, there's a good scope, like private sector, intervention. Uh, the important ingredients for the Poshan Abhiyan can also reach to the last mile of the highest quality. Poshan itself, as a program, is not just limited to the nutrition. It has various other elements. It talks about the breastfeeding. It talks about the midday meal. It talks about the palatability of the food for the woman. It talks about having women gaining the weight during the pregnancy. The program is a super complex program. But the beauty of the program is the design thinking behind the program, how government has actually given the thought to the program. The RB has promised to Government of India to work significantly and to work on the aspirational districts in Nandurbar and Amravati. We have chosen around 1,000 villages across two districts, and these are the villages which are hard to reach. These are the villages where there are problems with the mobile connectivity. These are the villages where the mortality rates are very high. You find stunting rates to 40% to 50%, and our promise is to reduce the malnutrition to 40% by the end of 5 years, and to have only 5% kids left with the wasting as a disease. So our commitment is a long-term commitment, and we totally believe in the first 1,000 days of the kid's life. Although Ayushman Bharat is now there in place, which is a very great scheme of Government of India. So how we can support Ayushman Bharat, we are trying to explore how to work together and to have the synergies with the existing Government of India's program. So Outlook Awards is something which is very inspirational, and I'm very sure with these awards and this whole initiative, the overall landscape in nutrition will change. There will be more discussions started happening. People will be talking more about issues like malnutrition and stunting. If you see the analytics now online, word search and other things, malnutrition and stunting is very lessly searched, because the common man doesn't see it as a problem. It is seen as a problem of the poor, but that's not true. It's a problem of everyone. And if we see country as a happier nation, it's very important, like more discussions in the forums, like how Outlook has done for the menstrual hygiene and mensuration. So the whole the issue last year was dedicated to that. If an issue on nutrition comes by Outlook, I'm very sure it will reach out to those guys who really need to listen more about it, and it will be the talk of the town. This award is basically for all who want to apply. There should not be any exclusion criterias. We need to get the maximum number of entries from the youth, from the millennials, from those who want to experiment, and sky is the limit. And this is a platform which Outlook has created. So once you are here, there are a lot of takers of your success stories, and your small successes can be the big businesses tomorrow.